How to fix Windows freezes when printing. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. Locate the printer that is causing issues and that you want to set as the default. Click on the desired printer to select it. Click the Set as Default button to make the selected printer the default one. Right-click on the Print Spooler service and choose Properties. Click the Stop button within the Properties window. Press Ctrl+A to select all the files in the printer's folder. Hit the Delete key to clear all the selected files. Return to the Services window. In the Properties window of Print Spooler, locate the Startup Type drop-down menu. Select Automatic from the drop-down menu. Click the Start button. Click OK to save the changes and close the Properties window. Now try again and your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.